guys! Good afternoon! Good afternoon mga palangga! For today's video is sobrang mainit yung ating panahon today. Kasi ilang araw din mga palangga, no? Grabe yung ulan natin, no? Tapos ipapakita ko pala yung ano natin. Yung tinanim ko, no? Sobrang ano na. Ang daming bunga ng mga palangga. And by the way, mga palangga, galit tayo umiiyak, no? Kagabi kasi, umiiyak ako kasi mga palangga. Kasi nung isang araw, pina-check up ko kasi yung aso ng aking grandma. Dalawa sila nagkasakit. Tapos, after namin, the day, we went to the doctor, went to the barangay because they have a vet there. Then, also I bought also medicine for them because I don't wanna see the dog, you know, when they're sick. I'm a dog lover, so every time that I saw a dog, I have a biscuits. We used to we have a biscuits in our bike or dog food. So, and then when I also hear from my grandma's, she said that gone, the other one, because they are mama and daughter. So there are two. Actually, the mama dog are the one who's sick, and also the daughter too. I don't understand my feeling every time that I saw a dog that they are abandoned or no one will take good care. So that is why I really love a dog. If I have a capability or if I have enough to rescue all the dog wherever I go, I can do it, but I cannot do it. But I know that the Lord will take good care of them, because every time that I saw our dog there, I really love their dog. I love my grandma's dog because every time that we went somewhere, we buy some beef and we give them to our dog, and that's really good for them. So my heart is so sad. That's why I cried, because I don't want to see dog when they die because of painful. But now she is gone, Choco is gone, but they are taking medicine. So I know that the Lord will heal Andrea. Her name is Andrea, because that dog is, when I was still studying, that dog is, you know, like around 10 years old, but and I don't want to see them sick. So I'm so still praying for the dog, and I really love those dogs. That's why I have dog. I have 3 dogs here in the house. That's why I always take good care of them, give them the shots and medicine, vitamins, because God is giving them to us. Since we have dogs, so it's our also responsibility to take good care of them. So that's why I'm okay now. It's really hurt, but I can do it. I can do this. Anyway, so season time for all the mangoes. So it's better to plant so that we can harvest in the right time. So ang daming bunga. Ang daming bunga ng ating mangga. As you can see there. Laba na pala ako mga palangga. Hindi pa tayo tapos maglaba. Kailangan natin maglaba dahil nga ay mainit na yung ating panahon, as you can see. So ang dami kong nilabhan. Hindi pa nga tapos yung iba. Pero alis muna kami ng aking asawa dahil nga ay may pupuntahan kami. Yung ating bunga ng ating niyog. Yung ating coconut, pina-harvest ko na yung iba. Ay, hindi ko alam kung paano to kunin yung ating mangga, no? Dahil nga wala tayong sungkit. Daghan sa itong mangga. Saan mo ni pagbuha, oy? Hello mga palangga for today's vlog. Kadaghan sa atong mangga. Saan mo ni pag-harvest, oy? Kasayang ba ani, oy? Kasi naamoy sungkit dira, abe, pahiram ako. Kay dagan kaayo, oh. So man ipagwa, oy, sayang kay nahinog ng uban. Well, sa git mo mangga. Sa garing ba sa mangga? Oh. Are you sure?
That's the one I'm trying for. Why? Missed the wrong one?
Yeah, there's a lot there, oh. No, not only one. There, that one there. No.
Where?
Here. Come here, you here, come here. Gotta get one. Here, oh, a lot.
Where?
I can see. Not that one. Not that small one. It's okay like that too. You hit too hard. Ah! You can do it. Whoa, got one. Small one.
I hit that hard.
There, oh, it's closer to that. A lot. Woo, you can get it. You hit hard. Wow, you're so gentle to hit that one. Where'd it go?
I missed.
You can do it. Oh, you're so gentle. Exercise. That's not bad. Whoop.
Come right out.
If I can hard that one really. Okay, got one here.
Going way over
Wait.
there.
Where is it now?
Keep going. Right there. To your left. There.
Oh, here. Yeah. We made it. Hey. More.
I can't get it on the bike though. I have to take a tricycle.
Come here. Help
You
me.
understand me?
Yes. So, by the way, mga palangga, aliskan muna kami ni Habi, pero ipapakita ko muna sa inyo yung ating chili na tinanim ko. Sobrang daming bunga na, no? Ang daming bunga na ng ating mga chili, mga palangga. Ayan. Yung iba is namumulaklak na siya dahil nga ay it's always producing some chilies. Yan. As you can see, ang dami. Yung iba green, pero na-harvest na namin to. Yung iba is, I'm so blessed. I am so thankful kasi kahit we already harvest some of these chilies, I really like it because namumulaklak pa rin siya. As you can see, that white one there, namumulaklak pa rin siya. So, anyway, sobrang fresh na ng ating chili, no? Ayan. So, alis muna kami ni Habi. And I am very happy nga mga palangga. Dahil, oh, look at our chili. Sobrang laki na yung chili natin, oh. Ready muna natin i-harvest. Yung iba, na-harvest ko na. Ready na to siyang i-harvest, oh. Yan. Dami, no? Ang dami siya. Sunshine, what are you doing there? Ang aso, nagpainit. He really loves in the sun. He loves to stay in the sun. Yan, si Sunshine. Ito naman po si Mikay. Nilagyan ko siya ng cone yung aking aso dahil he's always licking. And I don't really like it when she's always licking. And before, look at, we went to the vet. They cut the hair of Mikay because last time she got a lot of sores in here, so they have to cut it. So anyway, Mikay is not so much red unlike before. Mikay is really red. As you can see her, she's not red too much before. Mga palangga, she's not feeling well, and then her hair are, you know, here, this part in here, really red. Yung inside, yung mga palangga, yung legs niya, yung whole leg niya is sobrang pula. So, you go inside na. Pina-check up namin yung aso namin, but right now, Mika is doing well, but she still need to take medicine. So, I always gave medicine for my dog because I don't want to see my dog you know what? All of her body, you know, like all of her body are red, you know? So, I don't like it. I don't want to see my dog. I'm just worried about it. You know, so maybe today We're gonna prepare mga palangga because I and my husband were going and it's really sunny day outside. And of course, after that one, we're gonna finish also washing. So, see ya!
A few moments later.
Hi mga palangga! We are home now. We are so blooming for today, no? Ito lang yung sinuot natin, no? Yeah. And today, we are home now. We are home na mga palangga. But it's not dark, no? So since we are here na in the house, as I told you, umalis kami, tapos nag-grocery kami, konti na lang. We stopped there in the mall, and then, yeah, I told you mga palangga, umalis kami dahil nga ay nag-grocery kami ng aking asawa. And then, so yung aming mga binili mga palangga is meron tayong, yan, mixed vegetable, pang chop suey. So, we have cauliflower, and then broccoli, and then carrot, and everything. And then, sana rin niyo ako, no? And of course, meron lettuce. So, meron tayong lettuce mga palangga, as always. Kasi gusto-gusto ni Habi tong lettuce na to. So, yung aming binili is tatlo. Yan, yung isa. Yung isa, ito, pang tatlo. Kasi I used to make some burritos. And then, meron din tayong cucumber. So, ito yung cucumber. Tsaka ginger. Bumili tayo ng ginger. So, hindi na kami pumunta ni Habi doon sa palengke dahil nga ay sa mall lang naman kami pumunta after may pinuntahan kami ni Habi. Then, pumunta agad kami sa mall. So, yung binili natin na cucumber is dalawa. So, we bought a cucumber, 2 cucumber. Then, of course, we have tostitos, which is, gustong-gusto ni Habi to kasi we're going to cook meat, which is, of course, quinoa. And of course, mga palangga, bumili din tayo ng, ano ba to, peppers. Yung black pepper, bumili kami ng aking asawa. Of course, kailangan natin itong black pepper. Sa lahat pa naman ng mga lulutuin natin ay kailangan natin yung salt and pepper. And of course, yung mga binili din namin is, of course, meron tayong suka or we have Verigar. So, I used to buy Verigar Silver Swan dahil naubusan na tayo ng vinegar at meron din tayong soy sauce. Yung soy sauce also is dato puti. Supposed to be a silver swan din, pero dato puti. Dato puti is not bad. And, yan lang po. And then, as of now, then meron tayo here. Ano ba yung mga binili namin dito ngayon? So, meron tayong patata. Nagbili pala si Habi ng patata. Siya pala yung kumuha nito. Patata daw yung alam na ni Habi kung ano yung junk food sa gusto ko. Meron tayong patata. At yung favorite ng aking asawa ay Martins na cracklings dahil nga ito ay vegetarian na chicharon. At meron pa tayong, we have a Sonicare, as always, we have a kitchen towel, which is a paper towel. We need this one. And, meron tayong, ano ba to? Oh yeah, bumili ako ng shampoo. Kasi gusto ko to na shampoo na to. Ito lang talaga yung gusto na shampoo na pang anti-dandruff. Then, meron tayong, of course, toothbrush. Bumili tayo ng toothbrush, of course. Bumili tayo ng wipes. Kailangan natin ng wipes. So, bumili tayo ng wipes and what else? Ito. Ito ang binili namin, ha? Saka, ano pa ba to? Oh, bumili nga pala kami ng garlic fresh cheese kasi gusto din ng asawa ko to. Bumili kami ng garlic fresh cheese. Ito. Kasi this is really good for our bread too. That's really good. Dalawa pala yung binili namin. And we have also mozzarella kasi gagawa tayo ng pizza of course. At saka this is really good for tacos too. So, bumili tayo ng mozzarella. At saka chicken. Ayan. Konti lang yung binili natin na chicken kasi paubos na kasi yung chicken nila. Pero ito yung mas malaki. Yung sa kabila nga yung nabili namin doon sa mall is ayaw ko I did not buy because it's so small, the chicken, so it's just a big one. And of course, we have also the chicken thighs. So, ito lang yung mga binili natin mga palangga. So, iyan ang mga palangga yung ating mga binili. So, ngayon, i-arrange ko muna ito mga palangga since ay nakabili na tayo ng mga grocery. Pero konti lang itong nabili namin, no? Yung needed lang natin, yung binili natin. So, mga palangga, may share ko sa inyo. Hindi man ako masyadong nag-upload masyado ng mahabang vlog, no? Pero ito ako daw sabi pa sa atin ng mga viewers natin dyan, is, nag-asawa daw ako ng AFAM dahil daw sa green card. Ay, hindi ko na yan problema mga palangga kung ayaw nyo sa akin. Hindi ko din problema yan mga palangga kung iniisip nyo dyan ay lahat ng AFAM, lahat ng mga Pilipina ay nag-asawa ng AFAM dahil lang sa green card. Hindi nyo nga pa ako nga masyadong kilala eh. Pero mga palangga, I don't even care about the people who say that to me because it's supposed to be your mind your own business anyway. Pero, mga palangga, God bless you pa rin mga palangga dahil nga ay maraming nanonood sa akin, no, sa aking vlog. Pero, may mga bad comment kayo dyan, mga bashers ko dyan, ay wala gid ako yung pakialam mga palangga. Dahil para sa akin ay nag-upload lang talaga ako ng vlog dahil masaya ako dito sa vlog at saka ayoko na I don't wanna fight bashers. I don't wanna I don't hate bashers anyway. But I'm thankful for all the bashers. Anyway, I'm just what do you call this one? Di naman lahat mga Pilipina, day. Hindi lahat ng Pilipina, day, pupunta doon sa Amerika dahil para magka-green card. Oo, masaya pupunta doon sa Amerika day. Doon din sa Amerika day, dollar day, pero di lahat ng mga Pilipina day ay ang gusto nila day magka-green card. Gusto nila day parang gold digger. No, hindi talaga ako ganyan mga palangga. I'm not like that. So anyway, mga palangga, nag-asawa ako ng AFAM dahil binigay siya sa akin ni Lord. Nagpasalamat din ako sa Panginoon mga palangga dahil siya ang naasawa ko. At saka, alam ko sa puso niya, alam ko sa puso niya, ay mahal niya ako at mahal ko din siya. So mga palangga, nag-asawa ko ng AFAM, hindi lang dapat sa green card, para ganyan, na may mga sinasabi niyo dyan. Nag-asawa ako dahil minahal niya ako mga palangga, nag-asawa ako ng AFAM dahil naman ay number one. Then si Lord din ay nag-pray din yung asawa ko na makahanap na siyang tipong babae na godly woman, yung a woman, a type of kind of woman who serve the Lord, who love the Lord, and then vice versa din kami ng asawa ko. Sobrang mahal ng aking asawa yung Panginoon. At saka mahal din ako, at mahal naman ko rin yung Panginoon. So we are both serving the Lord. So yun lang mga palangga, we are so happy and blessed dahil nga ay hindi para sa green card lang, pero ang aking asawa dahil taga Pinas talaga ako, I'm from the Philippines, and I am so blessed and blessed beyond measure dahil yung asawa ko ay we are not living in America mga palangga dahil hindi lahat ng mga Pinay ay nasa Amerika. So, lahat ng mga Pinay ay nakatira, not all, but some of the Filipina married to a foreigner, to American citizen, are living also in the Philippines because they love Philippines, mga palangga. Noon sa man mo, eh. So, by the way, mga palangga, so, mora to, bye bashers, and then God bless you always for, for making me, you're so funny anyway, but I don't hate bashers. I just read all your comments every time somebody who comments there, just read and anyway, so God bless you too and thank you for your message. That's it mga palangga. Thank you so much for watching and hopefully you like of this video and God bless you always. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment down below. Bye bye. God bless you.